I got involved in motocross because of my dad. He used to ride, and when I was younger, we would do a lot of outside activities, camping, like riding pit bikes, just building tracks, whatever that is. And one day, he got me a bike for Christmas, and since then, I've been riding a little bit. That turned into racing, and kind of got serious since then. So that's how I got into it. I don't think I ever realized I'm okay, really good. Maybe, I'm still chasing every day. So that's just never ending to me. One day I came back from home from school. We all sit down on the table and my dad's like, we're going to the United States next week. So we really packed our bike in a suitcase and left for 10 days. That was the start. And after that, more often we start to travel. And I guess more we travel, we understand how they operate here, what races, top level amateur race, or how to get into the pros. So the start was all, I came back from home and just, we're gonna do it, and I just kind of follow with it. I had a good year on Super Mini. I think it was 2016. Won my both titles in Loretta's, and the following year, I got an offer from Geico Honda to do an amateur program first, potentially turn into pro, and yeah, that was my first opportunity with the factory team. No, it means a lot to me. I mean, since young, I think HRC is one of the most advanced team in the industry. I mean, any motorsport industry. So to be part of that is really amazing, and also, I mean, where I grew up, we have Suzuka circuit where it's like Honda's all over, Honda Corporation, right by my house. There's a lot to it, and yeah, it means a lot. And this one is kind of hard to say. I'm like 50-50 right now. Spend my time about 10, 11, 13 years here, and now I'm like 12th year now. So, I mean, I do feel like every time I go back to Japan, I kind of do feel like it's home. But also here, I'm spending so much time. I'm used to it here too. So, I mean, it's kind of both. Yeah, for me, it was quite a big improvement this year. Second year with the HRC, get to know how the bike works and know the people here. And I feel like, the first year I feel like I had a little bit of lack of communication. But this year, I think me and team did a really good job addressing everything we need, and keep making this steady progress, and that helped me a lot. Yeah, more I spend the time with the team, I think it's getting better and better. So it's just kind of getting used to the team environment. Yeah, I had a broken pinky in San Diego. In the mechanics, I had a pit board. It was honestly sad because I came in with the red play, feeling good, confident, bike was good, and all of a sudden just shut everything down out of my control. So it was hard to swallow at the moment, but I mean, I kind of kept racing, to add up some point. And I mean, now we have SMX series, which is we combine Supercross and outdoor points. And maybe if I didn't race that, I wouldn't have opportunity to, fight for first in SMX. So the moment that I broke my hand, yeah, it was not good, but now that I look back, it was like, okay, glad that I pushed through. It was a tricky race because there's a couple of riders that could win a title, depending on how you finish. So I knew everyone would take their opportunity to do everything to make it happen. And honestly, it's a lot of pressure just because of the point situation and how the race works. I feel like I did a pretty good stay calm and kept my composure. Most importantly, for me, it's finishing with the title, is accomplishing something was the thing I was looking for more than the money or the contract extension, whatever that is. So to me, winning that race and title was more than what it actually means. So it was really good. Maybe. I don't know. I'm planning to go back home after this race in this Nations. We'll see. Of course, I think just proving yourself, right? Okay, this year I rode with a hand injury, pushed through. I rode with the sicknesses on, round 2 at St. Louis, and now I feel like, there's a lot of pressure on the line at SMX. I rode through, so I think a lot of that's gonna help mentally, and of course with the third year with the team, I'm looking forward to it. Like everything should be better than a year before, and the guys on the team is really working really hard, and yeah, we're gonna continue to make progress. Overall, it was a great year. We made a lot of progress with the team, and some good result. Really leading into next year, it'll be really exciting. So, thank you guys.